Hey, it's Workbench from Workbench Quagmire with our free code camp Python certification in 100-ish days. It is day 33. We're here working on error handling right now. And today's assignment is debug an ISBN validator. So let's jump right in. The ISBN International Standard Book Number is a unique identifier assigned to commercial books. It can either be 10 or 13 digits long, and the last digit is a check digit calculated from the other digits. Camperbot has tried to build their own ISBN validator. However, they have made a few mistakes along the way. In this lab, you'll fix the existing code and make it function properly. Expected behavior: when the user runs the program, it will show the prompt, enter ISBN and length. The user can enter the ISBN code they want to validate in ISBN length format, and the ISBN should not contain hyphens followed by its length, 10 or 13 separated by a comma. Example input: 153 blah 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 comma 10 for 10 code for ISBN 10 code, or this other longer thing 13 for ISBN 13 code. How to find the check digit? You don't have to know the detailed calculation logic in this lab. The functions calculate check digit 10, calculate check digit 13 will take care of the calculation and return the expected check digit in string. The check digit for ISBN code 10 can be a number from 0 to 9 or an uppercase letter X. The check digit for ISBN 13 codes can be a number from 10 to 9 or 0 to 9. Objective: fulfill the user stories below and get all tests to pass to complete the lab. You should fix the indentation error in the current code. Okay. So it says on line 61, we have an indentation error. Yep. Okay. This validate is not indented. Indentation error, expected indentation block after else statement. Okay. Okay, the indentation errors are gone. Even if the user does not enter a comma separated value, the program should handle the index error without crashing. Okay. So let's see in our main user input, values, user input, split. So this is probably going to be where our issue is. And we can put a try except block in here and try value split except index error. Okay, and then we can say load by a comma and then the length. $10 or $13. Let's see if is this thing gonna tell us if we pass? Should come out the call to the main function to allow the rest of the tests to work properly. Oh, there we go. When the user inputs a value that is not a comma separated value, we see the error message. Okay. So we need to put that error message in there. Let's go back up here. Guessing this is in the wrong spot. So what if we try here? Actually, we probably want both of those in our try block. Then I want to print. Let's see if that fixes it. Hey, it does. When the user inputs a non-numeric value for the length, you should see the message length must be a number. So this is going to be a type error. Where are we at? Here we are. So this probably shouldn't be in there. Okay. What happens if I move this code to here? What happens if I put another try block in? We went backwards here somehow. Link must be a number. What do we say up here? Oh, you should fix the off by one and validate ISBN function. Okay. Validate ISBN. ISBN length. If length, ISBN length is not length. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen length with two. Let's test this and see what we get. 10. Type error. Link has exactly one argument. 2 given. Okay. That's what I thought. What is this? Comma 10. Index, string out of range, line 6. Given check digit length -1. Invalid ISBN code. Okay. Well, we know that works. It's kind of annoying. We have to comment this out every time. Still don't understand why that's not working. We'll just start from the bottom here and fix these. Why not? Let's go crazy. When the user enters, they should see message valid. See valid. There's an incorrect ISBN code with the character other than numbers. They should see an invalid character. So let's go here. Let's do this. That's not what we wanted. Okay. So line 61 somewhere in there is where we need to be looking. You should fix the type error in the current code. Oh, wait. Value error. Maybe. So we want there. It says if the user enters a non-numeric value for the length of the program. So 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, comma 10. Well, that's interesting. When the user inputs a value that's not a comma separated value, you should see the message enter comma separated value. Man, this is hard. Figured since this is one of those labs, they'd be like, enter this here to show us how it all works, but they're not. Index error. There's that. All right. Well, this has taken a lot longer than I thought it would. So I'm just going to call it for now. We're just going to jump back in this tomorrow for day 34. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching the video. I'll see you then.